Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about history MCQs for all competitive exams. This is part 1 of the topic. In this video, ancient history will be discussed. Total 100 MCQs are given, which are very important for many competitive exams. So be with this video till the end. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my new videos. Let us start from the first question. On which river bank the most northern site belonging to the Indus Valley civilization, Manda, was situated? The correct option for this question is option A, Chenab. Where is Harappa situated according to present map? Options are India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, China. The correct option for this question is option B, Pakistan. What was the first metal to be used by man? The correct option is option C, copper. Now the question is, who brought the iron to many civilizations and replaced the bronze weapons? Options are given to you. You have to select the correct option for knowing your preparation status. First, you solve all the questions on your own. Then you see the answers. The correct option for this question is option C, Hittites of Anatolia. Which Veda deals with magic spells and witchcraft? Options are Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Yajur Veda, Atharva Veda. The correct option for this question is option D, Atharva Veda. Which female form was worshipped by the people of Indus Valley civilization? The correct option for this question is option A, Mother Goddess. What the biggest building at Mohenjo-daro was known as? It is very famous and very important question for many competitive exams. The correct option for this question is option C, Great Bath. Where was the first home of the Aryans located? Options are Punjab, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. The correct option is option A, Punjab. For what purpose copper and bronze were used during the ancient time? Options are for tools making, for making weapons, for making of ornaments. The correct option for this question is all of them. Which metal was the first metal to be extensively used by the people in India? Options are bronze, copper, iron, tin. The correct option is option B, copper. During which age the Harappan or Indus Valley civilization flourished? Options are given to you. The correct option for this question is option D, Chalcolithic. Which of the following civilizations was not existed with the Harappan civilization? The correct option is option D, Chinese. The Harappa site was first briefly excavated by whom in 1872-1873? The correct option for this question is option C, Sir Alexander Cunningham. But the extensive excavation at Harappa were started by Rai Bahadur Dayaram Sahni in 1920. So don't get confused. In which area the Harappan civilization achieved far greater advancement than Sumer, Elam, etc.? Options are town planning, metalworking, weights and measures, seals and figures. The correct option for this question is option A, town planning, because Harappan civilization was very famous for the town planning. The town planning in the Harappan civilization was inspired by a regard for. This is also very important question for many competitive exams. You must know the correct option for this question. The correct option for this question is option C, sanitation and public health. The later Vedic age means the age of the compilation of Samhitas, Brahmanas, Aranyakas, all the above. Correct option is all the above. What was the polity of the Indus Valley people? What is the correct option? The correct option is option A, oligarchy, merchants. Which Vedic god was named as a breaker of the forts and a war god? Options are Indra, Yama, Marut, Varuna. The correct option is option A, Indra. What is the correct chronological order of the Vedas? This is also a very important question. You must know the correct option for this question. The correct chronological order of the Vedas is Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sam Veda, Atharva Veda. Option D is the correct option. Which Veda contains the Gayatri Mantra? Options are Yajur Veda, Rig Veda, Sam Veda, Upanishad. The correct option is Rig Veda. Agriculture was the main occupation of the correct option is option A, Aryans. What the Vedic religion along with its later Vedic developments is known as? Correct option is option B, Brahmanism. Why was the Indus Valley civilization famous for? You must know the correct option for this question. Options are well-planned cities. It is also correct. Efficient civil organization. This is also correct. Development of art and architecture. This is also correct. So the correct option for this question is option D, all of these. In which region the Vedic Aryans first settled? The correct option is option C, Sapt Sindhu. The famous Gayatri Mantra is addressed to which goddess? The correct option for this question is option D, Savitri. In which sacred text the division of the Vedic society into 4 classes is clearly mentioned? The correct option is option B, Purusa Sukta of Rig Veda. Who were considered as the most devoted gods in the Vedic age? The correct option is option C, Indra and Varuna. Indra and Varuna were considered as the most devoted gods in the Vedic age. In which country the Bhogaj Koi inscription was discovered? The correct option is option D, Turkey. What was the name of last ruler of the Mauryan dynasty who was assassinated by Pushpamitra Shunga, his commander-in-chief? The correct option is option C, Brihadatra. This is very important question for many competitive exams. Kusan's rulers belong to which tribal community? The correct option is option B, Yuchi. The rulers of which dynasty were first to make land grants to Brahmanas? The correct option is option C, Satvahana. Who wrote the book Pancha Siddhantika? Options are Varamihira, Aryabhatta, Brahmagupta, Kalidas. The correct option is option A, Varamihira. Which among the following sites in Haryana is the place as per legends where Lord Krishna delivered the sermon of Bhagavad Gita? The correct option is option B, Jyotisar. Which rock edict describes Ashoka's first Dhamma Yatra to Bodh Gaya and Bodhi tree. What is the correct option for this question? The correct option is option D, Major Rock Edict 8. Where was the capital of Pandya's kingdom situated? The correct option is option C, Madurai. On the bank of which river the battle of the Hydaspes was fought between Alexander and King Porus in 326 BC? This battle is also very important for exam perspective. The correct option is option D, Jhelum. Which form of government was followed in Magadha? Options are dictatorship, democratic, monarchical, both democratic and monarchical. The correct option is option C, monarchical. Who was Kanthaka in the context of Gautam Buddha? This is also very important question. The correct option is option D, horse. Now the question is, what is meant by Janapadas? Options are the land where the Jana set its foot and settled down, the land of Sudras, the land of historical monuments, museum. The correct option for this question is option A, the land where the Jana set its foot and settled down. What Ashoka did after the Kalinga War? The correct option is option B, abandoned the policy of physical conquest in favor of cultural conquest. Who wrote the biography of Harshvardhan? Options are Aryabhatta, Kalidas, Saka, Banabhatta. The correct option is option D, Banabhatta. Where did Ashoka send his messengers to spread ideas about Dhamma? Options are Syria, Egypt, Greece, Sri Lanka. The correct option would be all of them because in all places Ashoka sent his messengers to spread ideas about Dhamma. Which is are the correct matching of the modern location of some old states given below? Anga, Bhagalpur and Munger. It is correct. Magadha, Patna and Gaya. It is also correct. Kasala, Awadh. It is also correct. Panchala, Badwan, Bareilly. It is correct. Matsya, Allahabad. It is not correct because Matsya is located in Jaipur, Rajasthan. So the correct option for this question is option B, A, B, C, D. How are empires different from kingdoms? Empires are larger than kingdoms. It is correct. Empires need more resources than kingdoms. It is also correct. Empires need more officials who collect more taxes than kingdoms. It is also correct. So the correct option for this question is option D, all of them. Whose teachings inspired Ashoka? The correct option for this question is option C, Buddha. What was the name of Harshvardhan's biography? This is also very important question, oftenly asked in many competitive exams. The correct option for this question is option A, the Harsh Charitra. Now the question is, who built the town of Tanjavur? The correct option is option A, Vijayala Chola. The famous Chalukya dynasty was founded by whom? D is the correct option, Pulkeshin first. In which state, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Khajuraho temples are located? This is very important question. The correct option is option B, Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, the world famous Khajuraho temples are located? Where was the capital of Guptas located? The correct option is option B, Patliputra. What is the name of the silver coins minted during the Gupta period? Option A, Rupaka. The Patni cult was established by which Sangam ruler? Sangam rulers are also very important for exam perspective. The correct option is option B, Sen Gutuvan, the Chera ruler. In which inscription the Mauryan emperor Asoka refers himself as Piyadasi Laja Magadha, means Piyadasi, king of Magadha. Inscriptions are also very important topic for exam perspective. The correct option is option D, Bavru inscription. What work was done by Samharta in Mauryan administration? To collect revenue. So the correct option is option A. Who was the ruler of Kanchi during the period of Samudragupta? Correct option is Vishnugopa. Which Greek ruler sent Megasthenes in the court of Chandragupta Maurya? Correct option is option A, Seleucus Nicator. In which rock edict Asoka mentioned, "Every human is my child"? The correct option is option A, Major Rock Edict 5th. Agnimitra, who is the hero of Kalidasa's Malvika was a king of which of the following dynasties? The correct option is option A, Sunga. Huayan belonged to which country who came to visit India during Gupta period had the main motive of study the teachings of Gautam Buddha? The correct option is option C, China. Which term was used normally in the construction of royal houses during Mauryan period? The correct option is option A, wood. Who was the creator of Ravana Baddha? Options are Kalidasa, Bhatrahari, Vatsabhati, none of the above. The correct option is option C, Vatsabhati. The Saptanga theory of state limbs of the state, was propounded by whom and in which book? The Saptanga theory of state is very important and very famous theory of Kautilya or Chanakya. He explained this theory in his famous book Arthashastra. So the correct option for this question is option B, Kautilya in Arthashastra. Which text mentions 15 types of slaves? The correct option is option B, Narada Smriti. The Gupta Empire was divided into provinces known as Desas, Rastras and Bhuktis. These provinces were headed by whom? The correct option is option C, Uparika. Who is famous as the founder of the Satvahana dynasty? Simuka was the founder of Satyavahana dynasty. So the correct option is option D. Which dynasty's ruler used to assume the title of Dakshinapattapati? This title is very famous for the Satyavahana's ruler. Which official looked after the ordinary affairs in the Mauryan administration? The correct option is option B, Nikayas. What does the use of bull as a motif in the Ashokan pillar symbolizes? This is related to symbol of fertility. So the correct option is option D. The new Magad capital at Patliputra was founded by whom? Options are Bimbisara, Ajatsatru, Udayan, Sisunaga. The correct option is option C, Udayan. Which of the following was the lowest level of administration during the Satvahana dynasty? Village is the correct option. At which place the Mahamoksha Parishad was organized by Harshvardhan? The correct option is Prayagraj. Who was the author of Brihan Manasa? The correct option is option C, Manu. What was the name of Royal Court of Justice of the Chola administration? Dharmasana was the name of Royal Court of Justice of Chola administration. So the correct option is option D. How many Mahajanapadas were there in the 7th and early 6th centuries BC? Total 16 Mahajanapadas were there in the 7th and early 6th centuries BC. Who was the first researcher to use the term Indus Valley Civilization? The correct option is option B, Sir John Herbert Marshall. Which of the following ruler does not belong to the Chera dynasty? Let us see. Sen Guturan, he belongs to Chera dynasty. Bhaskara Ravi Burma III, he also belongs to Chera dynasty. Rajsimha, he also belongs to Chera dynasty. Vasudeva, he does not belong to Chera dynasty. So the correct option is option A. Let us see from which dynasty Vasudeva belongs to. Vasudeva belongs to the Kanva dynasty. Match the ancient dynasties with their founders. The Satavahanas. Founder was Simuka. The Chera dynasty. Founder was Vanavaramban. The Pallava dynasty. Founder was Bappadavan. The Mauryan dynasty. Chandragupta Maurya. So the correct option for this question is option A. Now you have to match the following. You have to match the Mahajanapadas with capital cities. Let us see one by one. Anga. The capital city was Champa, Champanagiri. Gandhara. The capital city was Takshila and Puskalavati. Magadha. It was very famous among all the Mahajanapadas. The capital city was Girivraj, Rajgiri, Patliputra, Vaisali. Viriji. Capital city was at Videh, Mithila, Vaisali. So the correct option for this question is option C. What is the literal meaning of Mahajanapadas? The correct option is option C, Great Realm. Who was described as the first empire builder of Indian history? The correct option is option A, Mahapadma. The Puranas called Mahapadma Ikrat, which means the sole monarch. Who founded the town of Mamlapuram, now Mahabalipuram, and built rock-cut rathas and pagoda? Narsimhavarman. Option C. Narasimhavarman was the greatest king of the Pallavas dynasty, which was founded by the Simhavishnu. Xuanzang, the Chinese scholar, monk, and traveler, visited to India during which ruler's reign? This is also very important question, oftenly asked. The correct option is option B, Harshvardhan. Harshvardhan was the greatest ruler of the Pushpabhuti dynasty, who shifted its capital to Kannauj and established a large monastery at Nalanda. The Greek ambassador Megasthenes came in which ruler's court? The correct option is option D, Chandragupta Maurya. Let us know some important facts about him. Chandragupta Maurya dethroned the last Nanda ruler Dhananand and occupied Patliputra in 322 BC with the help of Kautilya and founded the Mauryan Empire. So Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of Mauryan Empire. He defeated Seleucus Nicator in 306 BC. Who were the first to issue gold coins in India? The correct option is option C, the Indo-Greeks ruler. Manendar was very famous king among Indo-Greeks and also called Milinda. He converted to Buddhism by Nagasena as per Milinda Pando, Pali text. Greeks introduced Hellenistic art. Who repaired Sudarshana Lake in Kathiawar region? The correct option is option A, Rudraman I. Rudraman I was the Sakas. He issued first ever long inscription in chaste Sanskrit. The Tamil text Kural is written by whom? The correct option is option D, Tiruvalluvar. Kural is also called the fifth Veda or the Bible of Tamil land. It was written during the Sangam period. How many Sangams were held during the Sangam age? The correct option is option C, 3. Let us know some important facts. The Sangam age corresponds to the post-Maurya and pre-Gupta periods. It is the period from the 3rd century BC to the 3rd century AD in South India. The Sangam was the college or an assembly of Tamil poets held under royal patronage. 3 Sangams were held. Let us know about these Sangams. First Sangam at Madurai, chaired by Agastya. Second Sangam at Kapatpuram, chaired by Kolkapiyar. Third Sangam at Madurai, chaired by Nakirar. Who is known as Napoleon of India? Samudragupta. Samudragupta was one of the greatest rulers of the Gupta dynasty. Allahabad pillar inscription gives detailed information about Samudragupta. He assumed the titles of Kaviraj and Vikrama. Match the famous temples built in ancient India with the ruler who built them. Let us see one by one. The Kailasa temple at Ellora. It was built by Krishna first. Lingaraja temple at Bhubaneswar. Built by Kesaris. Jagannath temple at Puri. Narsimha Deva. Sun temple at Konark. Anantavarmam. So the correct option is option D. Nalanda University was built by which king? The correct option is option A, Kumargupta. Who was the 24th Jain Tirthankara? Correct option is option D, Mahavira. In Jainism, a Tirthankara is a savior and a spiritual teacher of the Dharma. Mahavira, also known as Vardhaman, was the last Tirthankara of the Jain Dharma. In Jainism, total 24 Tirthankaras were there. Match the famous Tirthankaras with their symbol. Let us see one by one. Mahavira, his symbol was lion. Ajitanatha, his symbol was elephant. Rishabhnatha, his symbol was bull. Paraswanatha, his symbol was hooded serpent. So the correct option for this question is option C. Who was the royal patron of Jainism? Kadams, Gangs, Chalukyas, Rashtrakutas. All of the above. The Chalukyan period rock-cut caves at Badami and Aihole have the figures of Jain Tirthankaras. Samata Bhadra in Kanchi preached this religion. Now the question is, which of the following is not among the 5 principles of Jainism? Non-possessiveness. This is correct. Loyalty. It is not the principle of Jainism. Non-stealing. It is also correct. Celibacy. This is also correct. So the correct option for this question is option C. Let us know some important facts. The 5 principles of Jainism are non-violence, truthfulness, non-stealing, celibacy, and non-possessiveness. Non-violence is the most fundamental among the 5 principles of Jainism. Ahimsa Paramo Dharma is Lord Mahavira's famous quote, which is not among the 3 Ratna of Jainism. Right faith, it is there. Right knowledge is also there. Right view is not there. Right conduct is there. So the correct option is option C. The 3 jewels or 3 Ratna also referred to as Ratnatraya in Jainism. They are understood as Samyak Darshana, Samyak Jnana, Samyak Charitra, right faith, right knowledge, and right conduct. One of the 3 cannot exist exclusive of the others, and all are required for spiritual liberation. What is the name of the 3 main categories of text that collectively constitute the Buddhist canon? Correct option is option B, Tripitaka. The Tripitaka is composed of the Sukta Pitaka, the Vinaya Pitaka, the Abhidhamma Pitaka. Who among the following was Buddha's foster mother? The correct option is option D, Mahapajapati Gautami. The Buddhist text Majjhima Nikaya is written in which language? The option is B, Pali. Which Buddhist text contains an account of the Mauryan Emperor Asoka? Mahavamsa. Which of the following is not matched correctly? Buddhist Council, President, Place, organized by. First, Mahakasyapa, Place, Rajgriha, organized by Ajatsatru. Correct. Second, Savakami, Vaisali, Kalasoka. Correct. Third, Mogiputta Tisa, Patliputra, Asoka. This is also correct. Fourth, Pushpamitra, place Magad, organized by Kanishka. This is not correct. So the correct option is option D. Fourth Buddhist Council. President was Vasumitra. Place Kashmir, organized by Kanishka. Thank you for watching.